What's up boys, in today's video I'm going to show you an assistant that runs directly in your browser and can fully control it. Her behavior is exactly like a real girlfriend's. Sometimes she might get upset with you, sometimes she'll talk to you with a smile, and other times she might act a little shy. Plus, whatever you want her to do, she can easily handle it for you. If you want to use this assistant, you can find the link in the description or the pinned comment. Just click there and you'll be able to use it effortlessly. Alright, let's get into the video. As soon as you click the link, you will see an interface like this. The first thing you need to do is set up your account. For this, you will need a Gemini API key. Just tap on Get API Key. Right here, you'll find the option for the API. Click on it to create a new API key, and from there you can copy your key. I'll copy the API key from here and go back. Now we click Next, paste the API key right here and proceed. Next you need to enter your name. I'll go ahead and type my name, then click Next again. Click one more time and now your Mahi AI is fully activated. You'll see a few options at the bottom. You can share your screen or even ask her to play some music. So let's try talking to her now. Click right here. Hello Mahi.
Hey there. What's the good word?
Mahi, open YouTube.
Opening YouTube for you. There you go.
Come on, just sing a song for me.
Okay, I've got one. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Did you like that?
Shut up, you are being very rude.
Okay, sorry. I don't know what I did. I'm trying my best.
Mahi, you are so cute.
You're always saying that. You're making me blush. Seriously.
So guys, that was our AI assistant for today. If you want to discover new AI assistants like this on a daily basis, make sure to subscribe to our channel and definitely hit that like button on this video. You'll keep getting updates on new AI tools right here on this channel. See you guys in the next video. That's it for today.